Hi there, welcome everybody. Welcome to another live on Ask Dr. Khushbu Shah question. And what I'll be doing is every Thursday, I'll pick one of the questions that I'm asked. We have a Google form in my link in my bio that you can fill up if you have any questions. And so that's available in the form in the bio, so fill it up, and then depending on what's the most relevant to what to most people, I'll pick it up, and then we will have this live where I will do my best to facilitate it. So hi Archana. So today there was a question sent in by a lady, Trudy. I hope she joins in. She said she would. Her question was about making these life changes. She's moved to a new country. I think she's moved to India, etc., and in search of what will actually make her happy, in search of finding her life path. And she's like, I'm extremely confused as to what is I'm still confused. I'm not sure what it is that I'm supposed to do, etc., 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 etc. So I thought that's a great question to take. And those who are listening and those for whom this is relevant, I also suggest listening to the first, second, and the third, all of them, because there's a way to sort of get out of this confusion. Like I've spoken about making this list about what you truly desire, and it kind of will help you if this is where you find yourself. Like, what am I supposed to do here? Why am I here? What is my life path? So, and I get it, because so if you're like a seeker, you've been seeking and you've been doing multiple things and nothing is making you happy, etc., 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 don't worry. Don't worry about it. Don't worry that you've not got your answer, etc., because this is where I was a few years back when I quit dentistry and I was looking for what am I supposed to do with my life, and I found Access Consciousness. And one of the things that I remember was what one of my facilitators stated, as stated by Gary, the founder of Access Consciousness, and he said, what if the purpose of life is to have fun? And I was like, wait, what? Aren't you supposed to be really serious, and aren't you supposed to find a serious life path, etc., etc.? And I was like, okay, cool. This makes things easier. And actually, it's funny, it may make things more difficult for some people, but just having that sense, okay, what if your life's purpose was to have fun? Alright, so now get that energy of fun. Okay, cool. So what would you truly desire? What are you asking for? Okay, so, and what I realized is, as I was seeking and as I did different things, etc., etc., because you're a seeker, you're going to keep looking and searching and looking and searching, which is great. But what if you now found yourself? Okay, so instead of seeking, what if you start finding? And therefore, if you please listen to the first one and start making that list, because that is the energy of what if my life purpose was to have fun? Okay, that is the energy of that. So, and what I've done is constantly chosen what's light for me, not what's right for me, not what's wrong for me, what is light. And you have to get this. If you're going to make, if you're in this space of trying to figure out what your future is, trying to figure out what your life path is, there is no one life path. There is, however, a contribution that you want to be to the world, into yourself. Most people who ask that, what is my life purpose? What is my life purpose? Somewhere you want to be a contribution to yourself, to everything, and you're kind of wondering what that even means. So start with that list and start with what is light for me. Okay, so if you've moved from one country to another, and a lot of people come to India thinking, you're going to get spiritual information, etc., etc. And I'm not saying that's wrong, I'm not saying that's right, I'm just saying follow the lightness. Okay, what is it that you're asking for, truly, truly desiring for? What are you truly, truly, deeply desiring for? And please listen to that first live so that you know how to make this list, how to know what you truly want, okay? And another question, you really have, like, as a seeker who's seeking to find happiness, you have to get that what if your ultimate life purpose was to have fun? It is not to be serious. It is not to make everything right in your life. Okay, so what if it is to have fun? So follow your lightness. Okay, follow what is light for you. Make that list of what you truly desire. And as you choose, as new choices come in, and I've also sort of spoken about how to choose in one of the other lives. So I highly suggest you listen to each one. So keep choosing your lightness. And the other aspect to this is, as I was choosing this, as I was trying to find my life path and my, like, what am I here for? What is it that and you have that energy, you have, and it looks like it's there far in the distance somewhere. So you know it's just this space which is not definable. All right, so keep moving in that direction. But instead of going from the right and wrong, go towards lightness. Okay, so keep moving in this direction of trying, the seeker, the finder. You know that there's this big contribution that you can be for yourself, for the world. You have that sense. Keep moving in that direction through lightness. What we tend to do is we try to go to places which are already heavy and then try to make them light. What if you chose lightness instead? What if that was what your contribution was, to make your space lighter, to make the world lighter? Okay, so I hope, Trudy, I know you're here, this is making sense to you, and if you have some question, you can put it in the comment. Okay, so what if your life purpose was to have fun? What if you, thank you, Trudy, and follow lightness. And the other important thing you have to know is, what if you asked yourself, what if you knew you were totally supported? You were supported by universe. You were supported by these energies. And I'm not talking about your immediate family or etc., because sometimes, not for all of us, you get that sense of support, especially when you're making those big changes. But energetically, you need to, what if you started asking, if I knew I was totally supported, what choices would I make? If I trusted myself now, if I trusted myself, what would I choose? Okay, trust yourself, trust your lightness. Don't trust other people's rightness and your wrongness of what you're choosing. Okay, that is not your life path. Okay, so seekers are great, and I hope this will help you find it now. Okay, it's not one thing. It's not this one thing that you will finally, have the answer and this is what you have to do. Like for me, yes, Access gave me all of that. Like it gave me these tools. And so the life path is not, it includes everything. So as I started following my lightness, I realized that I could include a whole bunch of things and a whole bunch of people and a whole bunch of different adventures and different businesses and different things that I could do, not just one thing. Okay, so what if your life path and your life purpose is to have fun? What would you choose? Okay, follow your lightness. So I hope, guys, this helps, and if there's any other question about this, please ask me. And I again reiterate this fact, go listen to the first few lives, because they're kind of sort of moving in this direction and it's giving you more information about one aspect, okay, as to how to make that list to truly actualize what you're asking for. How do you choose, etc., etc. And an important thing is choose your lightness. Light. And everywhere you've misidentified lightness as rightness, will you please uncreate and destroy it all? Right on Get Back Up online shorts, boys and beyonds. So what I just did, that gobbledygook sentence, is called it. That's the clearing statement by Access Consciousness. If it doesn't make sense to you, good. It's not supposed to. It's supposed to bypass your insane mind. So, but it's the clearing statement. The job of it is to clear anything that is sticky and that does not allow you to make the choices you say you want to, but you're not able to. Okay. More information on the clearing statement is on www.theclearingstatement.com. Okay. So I hope this helped. Follow your lightness, and as a seeker, don't worry, you're at the right path, like the light path. So you're like, I moved, I know, because you have that sense. It's there somewhere, but it just seems like at a distance now. Okay, that energy is light, big. It's Trudy. It's in my first. I haven't explained it in this one. It's in my first life. So if you go through my my profile, you will see it's in my first life. So you'll see it on this thing, and I can also share it with you later. Okay, so I haven't spoken about it in this life. I've spoken about it in the previous life. Okay, so follow your lightness. And what if your purpose here is to have fun? So how many things can you include, and what if it is not about finding that right answer, but it is to include more and more and more and more of what is truly fun and light for you? And what if that is the contribution you came here to be for you and for the world? Okay? So don't worry about it. Relax. Know that you're supported. We all are. Just follow your lightness. How does it get better than that? Thank you so much. And thank you, Judy, for your question. I hope it contributed to others. There'll be people who will be watching this later. And what else is possible? Thank you. Bye.